Good day, everyone! How are you today? Welcome to Teacher Claire Online Tutorial. For today's lesson, we will be able to read the side phrases a, an, about, all, as, at, away, and are. Are you ready, kids? Let's start! A, an, about. Now follow me. A, an, about. Now you try, kids. Very good. Now let's try another one. All, as, at. Now, follow me. All, as, at. Now you try, kids. Very good. Now, let's try another one. Away and are. Now, you follow me. Away and are. And now, you try. Very good. Now, let us read the side phrases. A big horse. Again, let us try. A big horse. Now you try, kids. Awesome! A big house. Now follow me. A big house. Very good. Now you try, kids. That's great. A new ball. Let's try. A new ball. Very good. Now you try reading this. Great, kids. New car. Now follow me. A new car. Very good. Now you try, kids. Great. A pretty girl. Now follow me. A pretty girl. Very good. Now you try. Very good, kids. An apple. Now let us try again. An apple. Good. Now you try, kids. Great job. An elephant. Now follow me. An elephant. Very good. Now you try. Great. An astronaut. Follow me, kids. An astronaut. That's good. Now you try reading this. Good job. About her. Now follow me. About her. Very good. Now you try reading this. Great job. About you. Now follow me reading this. About you. Now you try to read this. Awesome! All around. Now follow me. All around. Now you try. That's great. All day. Now let us read this one. All day. Okay, very good. Now you try to read this. Very good, kids. As he did. Now we try to read this one. As he did. Now you try reading this. Awesome! As she said. Now follow me. As she said. Okay? You try, children. Very good. At home. There. Now follow me. At home. Now you try reading this one. Great job. At school. Again, let us try to read this one. At school. Now you try, kids. Awesome. At night. Follow me. At night. Great job. Now, you try reading this one. Awesome. Cat away. Now follow me. Cat away. Now you try to read this one. Very good. Give away. Now follow me. Give away. Good. Now you try. Great job. Boy and girl. Let's try to read this again, kids. Boy and girl. Now you try to read this one. Great job. Dog and cat. Good. Let's try to read it again. Dog and cat. Awesome. Now you try to read this one. Great job. Pencil and paper. Now, follow me. Pencil and paper. Now you try to read this one. Good job. You are beautiful. Now, follow me. You are beautiful. Good job. Now you try to read this one. Awesome. We are family. Again, let us try. We are family. Great job! Now you try to read this one, kids. Awesome! Congratulations! Very good, kids! Now, we read the different side phrases. Subscribe, like, and share our videos to your friends. And follow our Facebook page, Teacher Claire Online Tutorial. Again, this is Teacher Claire. Thank you for another day of learning. See you again to our next online tutorial. Bye, kids! Bye!